Welcome to Dev Talk. Today we're discussing Roku's memory management APIs. Bob, let's start with system-level memory APIs.
The system-level memory APIs are part of the if device info interface. The first key method is enable low general memory event, which takes a Boolean parameter to enable or disable memory event notifications.
What exactly does it notify developers about?
It notifies when the device's general memory level becomes low. When enabled, your app receives events when memory reaches concerning levels.
And get general memory level returns the current memory status, right?
Exactly. It returns one of three values: normal, low, or critical. This lets developers check memory status at any point and take appropriate action.
Moving to channel-level memory, what's available in the if app memory monitor interface?
Channel-level APIs focus on the app's memory usage specifically. Enable memory warning event is similar to the System 1 but triggers when your app reaches 80% of its memory limit.
That's a useful early warning system. What does it return?
It returns a Boolean indicating whether memory alerts have been successfully enabled. You'd typically call this during app initialization.
What about get memory limit %?
Get memory limit % returns an integer representing what percentage of your app's memory limit is currently being used. It's useful for continuous monitoring.
Roku OS 12.5 introduced Get Channel Available Memory. How does that help developers?
Get Channel Available Memory returns the estimated kilobytes of memory available for your app. This is particularly valuable when handling low memory warnings, as you can determine exactly how much memory you need to free.
And the newest addition is Get Channel Memory Limit in Roku OS 13.20.
Yes, Get Channel Memory Limit provides detailed memory information through an row-associative array with 3 fields. It tells you max foreground memory, max background memory, and max Roku-managed heap memory.
How would developers use these different values?
The max foreground memory tells you how much memory your app can use when it's active. Max background memory is important when your app is suspended, and max Roku-managed heap memory shows how much memory Roku OS might allocate that appears in your app's heap statistics.
So this helps with debugging memory issues.
Absolutely. It's especially useful for understanding memory constraints in different app states, running normally, suspended in background, or playing video.
Let's discuss practical implementation. How would a developer use these APIs together?
You'd typically enable both warning systems during initialization, then periodically check Get Memory Limit % during operation. When warnings occur, use Get Channel Available Memory to determine how much to free, and Get Channel Memory Limit to understand your constraints in different states.
What actions should developers take when memory is low?
They should release non-essential resources first: cached images, unused audio or video assets. For critical warnings, they might need to reduce functionality temporarily or even restart certain components.
How do these APIs help with app certification?
Roku has strict memory requirements for certification. These APIs help developers stay within limits and handle memory pressure gracefully, increasing chances of passing certification.
What about performance implications of constantly checking memory?
Good point. These calls should be used judiciously. Enable low general memory event and enable memory warning event are event-based, so they're efficient. For the getter methods, check periodically rather than every frame.
Any final advice for developers implementing these APIs?
Test thoroughly on lower-end Roku devices where memory constraints are tighter, and implement a comprehensive memory management strategy that releases resources progressively as warnings occur.
Thanks for explaining these critical APIs. Proper memory management is essential for Roku app stability and performance.
Absolutely. Memory issues are among the top causes of app crashes and certification failures, so these tools are invaluable for developers.